How to Rearrange Channels on YouTube TV 2025 Guide. Hello and welcome. In this guide for 2025, we're going to show you how to rearrange the live TV channels on your YouTube TV guide. Customizing the order of your channels can make finding your favorite stations much easier. Let's get started. To rearrange channels on YouTube TV, you'll need to use a web browser on a computer or mobile device. You cannot rearrange channels directly through the YouTube TV app on most smart TVs or streaming devices. Open your web browser and go to tv.youtube.com. Make sure you are logged in to your YouTube TV account. Once logged in, click on your profile icon, which is typically in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for a section related to live TV or channels. It might be labeled Live Guide, Channels, or Customization. Click on this option. On this page, you should see a list of all the channels available in your YouTube TV lineup. To rearrange the channels, look for an option to customize or edit your live guide. Once you are in the customization mode, you will usually see handles or icons next to each channel name that you can click and drag to change their position in the list. Click and hold on the handle or icon next to the channel you want to move. Then drag it up or down to its desired position in the list. Release the click or tap when the channel is where you want it. You can repeat this process for as many channels as you like to create your preferred order. As you rearrange the channels, the changes are typically saved automatically, or you may need to click a Save or Done button once you are finished. After rearranging, the new order will be reflected in the live guide on all your devices where you use YouTube TV. Keep in mind that you are only rearranging the channels within the live guide view. You are not changing the channels included in your subscription. We hope this video helped you learn how to rearrange channels on YouTube TV. If you found this guide useful, please give the video a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful tutorials.